frosted up good.
I wonder if it's fast or something.
Who's it from?
Ooh.
Ooh, right here. What is this one?
What? Stop staring!
Thanks, Anna. Look what she got me. Oh, look. Look. It's not a hat.
More pencils! More pencils!
Oh, look.
Woo! Party popper!
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna open this print.
Let her tear the paper. That's what unpacks the paper, see?
She's trying to get to that hat. She says, I like that. Look at that hat.
Oh.
What is that? That's what you can get.
Oh, what is this?
You can get Mom and Dad out of bed now with water
Very
flashes.
good.
I thought there was going to be little plastic pictures in there.
Oh,
I've never seen one.
what is it?
This is a writing. What?
I think it's this what I wanted. Guitar! The guitar that I
Give you
wanted.
lessons.
Okay, pick up your paper.
Hold them up for the camera.
Don't get a paper cut.
Don't you, hey Nicole, you still have other presents.
Yeah. But I want to open this one now. Ow.
Don't look at that light. It'll blind you.
I hold a guitar at Grandma's house.
Well, that one's all yours.
I don't know where to put this.
Back in the box.
Or you could put it on there.
Why don't you just put it back and just lay it in the box and we'll leave it around.
We'll take it over to Aunt Shannon's and Papa's going to tune it up for you.
I'm gonna open this one. See what is.
Okay, how do you make it make noise?
Push its nose.
Oh.
Barbie doll clothes! Barbie doll clothes!
All right, so what does that mean? There's a Barbie doll under that table. Pull it out. Awesome.
Okay, now I'm gonna
Give it.
More Barbie clothes! Woo! More Barbie clothes! Oh, more Barbie.
Yeah.
Look, Grandma, more Barbie
All
clothes.
right.
Who's giving me all these Barbie clothes? Hit it! Okay, now I'm opening this. Yeah! Maybe Santa Claus messed up on this one. Like a rabbit.
She's trying to pick them up.
Okay, now I don't know what this is. Okay.
Let her figure it out.
Oh, I want to open this. Oh, this thing.
You got parts.
Here, Lisa.
I got a box that says parts.
Hey, look!
Now I can stop stealing Mom's.
Look, I wonder what it. I dug!
sad my mouse was not.
I dug!
Hi, dog. What does he do?
I don't know.
It's all red and
Hey!
Should be red and green.
Clothes! Clothes! I got pants!
Ooh, thank you.
Okay, you need more? Oh, these two now. Oh, no.
Are you ready for a new one?
Oh, I'm gonna open this one.
Where they sure do not want you to get this out.
I think that was supposed to be for me.
Diary Hannah Montana!
We're very excited about this one.
Look at
I don't have to buy chicken from Sam's anymore.
Hey, look! Look what Catherine got!
Chicken and we saw some pictures of some prime rib roast and turkey
Oh.
and we think we want to try it all.
I think I got.
And then they want to find out if you killed somebody. That's not stealing something. She's not going to do it.
That means it's her turn.
She'll bang on it though.
Well, she can just bang on it if she wants.
Don't open it.
Well, looky there. You were just banging on that box too.
Okay, now it's Nicole's turn.
Hey Nicole, I picked it out. Are you scared?
Yeah.
It's a bomb.
Okay, maybe I did.
I picked it out. It's a bomb. It is wonderful.
Wow.
Ooh, Miley Cyrus, High School Musical.
too. Camp Rock. Oh, you like that one.
I know. I go. Yours is orange. Hey, I got an eyeball too, Cindy.
It was from Grandma Hughes' house.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's in green. Kool-Aid.
Cool. I can. Thank you.
Is that what you wanted? You want to see if you could eat it?
Card. Everybody take. Oh yeah, I'm holding the camera.
I'll open it.
Okay, now Catherine.
Now I gotta make sure that my wife doesn't take it upstairs.
Pom-poms. Yeah. And stickers. Stamp. Open it.
Sour Candy Factory. Sweet. Wow. Let's see.
Lucky.
Now
The
you
people at
Watch
Robert's
what you
workplace
eat.
wanted to play with.
Seriously, Anna got 2 boxes in mine?
How much money you got? Because, like, the rent's due.
Money.
No.
Hello.
At least I didn't get anything noisy.
Hannah Montana.
Do you like Hannah Montana?
Hannah Montana crayons.
Oh, no. Montana crowns.
$10 to go buy stuff?
Okay, I'll go boss right now.
5?
Yeah, she's taking us out to lunch with her.
No.
Plus, she's going treasure hunting later.
Ooh.
$4.85. Look at his face. I take pleasure out of his.
Pleasure out of living pain.
Wasn't gonna say pain.